What is going on, everybody? Today we're going to take a look at a budget knife from Kershaw. It is the Interstellar. I have a real issue with a lot of budget knives, especially budget knives that have assisted springs in them. They drive me insane, absolutely insane. But I do try to look at every budget knife that doesn't have an assisted spring, that is realistic, good action for the money. So Civivi, obviously one of the top best budget knives. It's hard to go wrong with anything from Civivi. Packaging. Interstellar 1195. Okay, get rid of that. Safety instructions of a knife that does not even the current knife. Okay, whatever. Let's get to, okay, alright, very, very cool looking. So we have obviously a plastic polymer body and with a steel backbone that runs all the way around. That's very good. Got a bottle opener here. Solid looking, very cool. Yeah, it's very interesting. Obviously this is a OTF, but it is not an automatic. Okay. Pretty stiff, but that's okay too. Yeah, a little wiggle to it, but nothing bad. Pretty solid. It doesn't sound too cheap or chintzy, so to speak. But the action is a little on the stiff side. So obviously, blade is not like a gravity knife or anything like that. Let's try some lubrication and see if we can't get a little lubrication on what looks to be the track in here, I guess, and see how that works. Yeah, probably helps very minimally, but other than that, it does lock into position in both the open and close, so you do have to push down on the button, which helps eject it, and then it have to push down on the button again to retract it. So very cool. I'd be curious of how strong that lock is, as far as if you had been putting a lot of stabbing pressure into it, if it would snap it, because it just kind of looks like it's just basically a plastic button. But you know, actually no, I guess it's steel. Yeah, it's steel. So very interesting. Does have a deep carry pocket clip, so that's always good. Now they do consider this a utility knife, such as, I guess, given the mechanism that you're basically using, which is very kind of utility knife. Obviously it's not a razor blade, but they kind of categorize it as a utility knife. A lot of companies seem to be doing that lately. So got partial serrations, and we do have 8 CR13 MOV steel. So for the price, given what it is, yeah, not too bad. Not too bad at all. It does look like we have a little rubbing on the blade right there, but yeah, nothing severe. Obviously, I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it is a tight fit in there, and that's what's gonna obviously keep the wiggle down. But yeah, very cool, and for what it is and for the money it is, and it's not assisted or anything ridiculous like that. I think the action will definitely loosen up. Now as I got a little oil in there and just keep working, and I'm sure it'll loosen up and just be a little bit easier to operate, but I guess you don't want it too easy unless you want to use it like a gravity knife where you sling it open or something like that. But there you guys go. There's just a quick first look at the Kershaw Interstellar, and we will check it out and get back to you and let you know how we like it. Alright guys, that's it for today. Have a great day.